Everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another reaction. Very excited about this one as apparently there's a special video from our girl JISOO of Blackpink. Your Love special video, Rainforest Wild, Asia, Singapore. This song is incredible. I don't know, I don't remember if I was talking about this song in the album reaction, but there was like one particular song that I said that if it had that option, it would be playing on every single radio station all over the world. It just has like that appeal to it. I'm pretty sure that it was Your Love. Maybe it was another song. I'm not actually 100% sure. But Your Love is an amazing song. And for some reason, I never thought of it in this scenario. So I'm really excited to see this video and to see a little bit more of JISOO, of course, Never Heard. So without further ado, I do believe that at the same time of me recording this video, there's supposed to be a special music video for one of Lisa's songs from her album. So we're getting a bit of a, double reaction to Blackpink related content. So I'm very excited about that. And if by any chance you guys are here because of Blackpink, as this entire channel was a K-pop became a K-pop channel because of Blackpink themselves, you'd be very happy to learn that there's a ton of reactions on Blackpink on this YouTube channel, and there's even more on Patreon. We're talking about pretty much all of their variety shows that they had, various appearances, their documentary movie on Netflix, Blackpink the movie, all kinds of special releases, whether it's all of their vlogs. We checked out a lot of content. There's a link in the description that will lead you to a guide that is free for all to just see and browse around. You can check out the Blackpink category and see exactly what we have available for Blackpink and also for all of the girls and individual members of Blackpink. So if you're interested in any of that content, consider subscribing to the Patreon, as that's what's basically keeping the lights on for the YouTube channel as well as the Patreon itself. So thank you so much for the support if you already are a patron, and let's get into it. Okay, that's kind of creative. That's cool.
Stars in my eyes, constellations for you. You spin my life upside down on the moon. Ooh, you can be real. You look like everything I see in my dreams. I swear that we'll be young forever. The world slows down when we're together. I've never known.
I wonder if this scene is going to explode with color or something. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Nice. Damn, that's beautiful cinematography. Ooh. Damn, that's pretty. Whoa. Ooh. Damn, that's so pretty. Man, JISOO looks adorable. Whoa. Damn, the aesthetics are so nice. And this song is so timeless, you know? Damn, that's gorgeous. I wish it didn't end. Damn, that was amazing. Yo, uh, that was such a pretty presentation. And like the shots inside of like the cave and everything are so freaking pretty, especially like this one with the dual colors like that, the paddles and everything. That just looks magical. Like this scene, like I need to save this as the screenshot for the thumbnail for the music video, by the way. So let's just do that, because that's pretty as hell. um Damn, I don't even know what to say. Like the visuals are, breathtaking. The footage they used from the actual, the wild was really really lovely. Fits insanely well. I guess there's a place where you can have the most romantic dinner possible. Like, I don't know, dinner at 8, cave diving at 9, something like that. I'm not sure, but it definitely looks insanely pretty. Um, yeah, this song, honestly, from all of its uses that you could have thought of, I didn't think about this one. And now I'm thinking about a whole freaking like National Geographic kind of like montage with this song for some reason. That would be really, really nice. But at the end of the day, I mean, with the lyrics and everything, I guess it fits insanely well within, love for the wild or love for someone else, love for fans. Like this song has so many really cool uses for it. This could be a song used for a montage for fans, or this could be a song for a montage with Blackpink, montage for the wild, whatever it is that you want to take it as. It fits insanely well. And Jisoo looked I loved like the front of the dress, that it kind of looks like a flower. So it instantly makes me think of, Jisoo and like the flower choreo just in general, which is also really really nice. Yeah, I mean, if this doesn't put a smile on your face, you might need a doctor. I will attach somewhere up here the actual album reaction where we talked about this song and the entire album. And if you've been a subscriber for a little while, then probably already watched that reaction. If you haven't, check it out, because this song is absolutely gorgeous. Like the chorus just feels insanely timeless, and it's so nice to put a face to the actual song, because it's such a wholesome, happy, smiley kind of a song. So to actually see Jisoo interact with the actual music itself, in any capacity, just it feels like something that was missing, So it's really really nice to see that, because it's a gorgeous, an absolutely gorgeous song that I feel like could easily be like one of her most popular songs ever, just because of like that quality that the chorus itself has. But yeah, this was lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, as always, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.